Excessive resonances ruin mixes, giving them a harsh and unpleasant sound. Our plugin RESO helps you quickly identify and resolve resonances. The smart features help you get the best possible sound by dynamically fixing the problematic resonances without making your music sound thin. Let's hear how it sounds. To get started, load up an instance of RESO on any channel and listen closely for resonances. The display, frequency sweep, and calculate targets features will help you identify resonant frequencies. Double-click anywhere within the main window to create a node. Position the node where you want the resonance suppression to start. The cue is automatically optimized for the frequency of the node, and you can scroll to adjust the cue to suit your preference. The Calculate Targets feature will analyze your audio to find the most resonant frequencies. You'll get target nodes showing how much reduction is suggested to transparently resolve the resonances. You can then engage all the targets or click the targets one by one to initiate processing. From this starting point, you can then adjust the nodes to suit the music and your taste. RESO's super transparent mastering grade filters allow you to clean up resonances without affecting your transients and phase. For the fastest, most effective way to musically resolve resonant issues in your mix, download the free trial of RESO and get your music sounding better than ever.